magic school bus.
Pass me that one next, Phoebe.
Okay, Ralphie.
It's going to be a model of the solar system. Neat, huh, Janet?
I hate to tell you, Cousin Arnold, but when my class built one, the sun was so huge we had to hang it from the flagpole. And you had all 9 planets? That's right, Keisha. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. My class already studied the solar system.
I bet you your class didn't learn about the aliens that live on the planets.
For your information, Ralphie, Earth is the only planet that can support life as far as we know.
And how far do you know?
Really far, because I got straight A's on all my tests, and this proves it.
If you already know so much, Janet, why did you come to visit our class?
Because Arnold told me all about your field trips, Dorothy Ann.
What did he say?
That they were, and I quote, highly unusual. And you know what I said? Prove it.
She's really nice once you get to know her.
Oh, good morning, class. Have you all met Arnold's cousin, Janet?
Yes, Miss Frizzle.
My teacher doesn't dress like that.
That's nothing. Sometimes the frizz looks totally outrageous.
Well, since we're lucky enough to have a guest today, I'd say it's a perfect time for a field trip.
Hey, cuz, now's your chance to prove it.
I wonder where we're going today. Inside a rotting log. Been there. To the bottom of the ocean. Done that.
We're going to the planetarium? Hardly unusual, Arnold.
The frizz taking us on a normal field trip? Believe me, that's unusual.
How odd. Closed today.
Closed?
Well, looks like we'll just have to go back to school.
Oh, no! Some field trip, Arnold. You know what? My teacher would have called ahead because my teacher plans ahead. My teacher never makes mistakes. My teacher is a zillion times better than
Nobody is better than Ms. Frizzle.
Oh, yeah? Prove it.
Stop the bus!
Yes, Arnold?
Isn't there, someplace else you could take us?
You mean another planetarium?
Well, sort of, but bigger.
Bigger?
You know, the big one.
Oh, Arnold, why didn't I think of that? T-5 and counting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
What's happening? A field trip! Into outer space? Highly unusual.
Welcome to outer space, class. The only planetarium open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And how are all my astronauts doing?
We're weightless! We're in trouble! No, Arnold, we're in orbit around the Earth.
Let's see now. We are just about there. Wonderful! Let the tour begin. We're coming up to the sun.
Look how huge it is.
Class, are you all wearing your special heavy-duty sunblocked 8,000 sun goggles?
I wonder how many Earths would fit in the sun.
Over 1 million. Hold on to your goggles. So, class, we've traveled from Earth, around the sun, and now we are on our way to
Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. When I tell my class, they're gonna be so jealous.
Wow, we're landing!
Of course.
Told you, Janet.
We hardly weigh anything
anything compared to my old planet Earth. I wonder if that means there's less gravity pulling on us here.
Exactly, Keisha. Good thinking. Come along, class. Follow the bouncing lizard. This way, please.
Bet I can jump higher than you, Dorothy Ann.
You're on!
I won first place in my class jumping contest. Here's my blue ribbon to prove it. Wait till I tell my class I won the jumping contest on Mercury, too.
But you know what they're gonna say?
What?
Prove it.
How on earth? I mean, how am I going to prove I was on Mercury?
Man, the aliens on Mercury sure make big footprints.
Nothing can live on Mercury, Ralphie. It's too hot and dry during the day. And according to my research, way below freezing at night.
And day or night, there's no air, which makes it extremely difficult to breathe.
Well, something had to make tracks this big.
Something did, Ralphie. Meteorites. Meteorites are pieces of stone or iron that fall from space.
Come along, class.
If the ones that hit the planet are called meteorites, what do you call the ones that miss?
What?
Meteorites! Wow! Janet, what are you doing? Hey, watch it!
Eureka! My very own meteorite. When I show this to my class, it'll prove I was on Mercury.
Oh, Janet.
Right on top of us!
We're now approaching.
Venus, the second planet from the sun. I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait!
Cool. Venus has clouds just like Earth. Wow! What a view!
I think I'll go sit down now.
Come along, class.
Hey, I feel like I weigh the same here as I do on Earth.
That's because Venus is about the same size as Earth and has about the same gravity.
Come on, Arnold.
Check out those weird clouds.
Oh, good. A little rain will cool the place down.
Except that's not rainwater in those clouds, Wanda. It's sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid?
Mm-hmm. It's a deadly poison. Oh, we're perfectly safe as long as we keep our spacesuits on.
I like rocks, but this is ridiculous. Do you have to have all of these?
Absolutely. If this doesn't prove I was on Venus, nothing will.
We're now passing through the orbit of the third planet, which is Earth.
Look, it's so beautiful. And there's air we can breathe. And it's not too hot or not too cold.
The only one that supports life.
And coming up is Mars. The fourth planet, right, Ms. Frizzle?
Very good, Janet. Ooh, you certainly do know your planets.
I got straight A's on all my reports.
We know enough already.
Ah, here we are, class. Take a look at Mars. How marvelous.
It looks like the whole place is rusting.
No wonder it's called the Red Planet.
As you can see, the soil here is colored by red dust, which has iron in it.
Look at those cliffs of ice.
Ice climbing, anyone?
No thanks. Too cold. Too slippery.
Too right. Who wants to waste time climbing up an old ice cap anyway? Come on, cuz we've got work to do.
Maybe I should have stayed home today.
We've made it to the top. I wonder if Mars could have been another Earth if it had water and wasn't so cold.
Maybe, but as I always say, Mars is the best place for ice cream.
Ice cream? Where?
Here, ice cream!
last ice block.
Great! Now for some red dust.
On Earth, I had simple little chores. Emptying waste baskets, feeding the fish, clearing the table.
The only thing is, we've been to Mercury, Venus, and Mars so far, and we haven't seen a single...
Alien!
Tell it we surrender!
Hi, guys. Which way's the bus?
Arnold!
I knew it was him the whole time.
Mars, ice, and dust. Enough to prove we were on Mars. No need to thank me.
I don't think there's much chance of that, Janet.
Look, a flying potato!
Huh? That's no potato. It's an asteroid, Ralphie. A hunk of space rock, smaller than a moon, but bigger than a meteorite.
It's part of the asteroid belt, a ring of asteroids which divides our solar system into the inner and outer planets.
What happened? An asteroid! I gotta have one. Please, it'll only take me a second.
Watch out!
What was that?
What happened? What's going on?
Don't worry, class. Just an unexpected orbital interruption. Let's just see where we are, shall we?
The map! It's gone!
We're lost in space! We're lost in space!
As I always say, there's nothing a good space mechanic can't fix. Wrench!
Wrench!
Pliers!
An asteroid. I mean pliers.
Screwdriver!
An asteroid! Perfect proof!
Miss Frizzle, we've got half of the map now.
Good. One more adjustment.
Miss Frizzle! Miss Frizzle!
Keep your claw on that button, Liz. Up, up, and away!
Bad news.
Janet, we're not only lost in space.
We're lost in space without a teacher!
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Miss Frizzle to class, Miss Frizzle to class, come in. No reason to panic. I'd never leave you. I'm right here. I'll give you a hint. I'm headed for one of the outer planets.
But that's the half of the map that we don't have.
Oh, good. You can fill it in as you go along. You've got a navigator who knows the neighborhood.
We do?
Of course, Janet.
I wonder if Miss Frizzle's down there.
Wow, which planet is that?
One of the gas giants. What is that red blotch? It's a storm, thousands of miles wide, and the only planet with a big red spot is Jupiter.
Jupiter, the 5th planet.
All right, Janet! Way to go!
Now, if I could just get some of that red spot, it would prove I've been to Jupiter.
Miss Frizzle to bus, Miss Frizzle to bus, over. Jupiter is the largest planet, but don't worry, Carlos, because I'm not on it.
Then where are you?
I've got to have some of that red spot!
We're out of control! Janet! Pull up! Pull up! It's all yours, Ralphie! Whoa! Janet! Chill out, guys. If you visit Jupiter, you gotta have proof. right?
I knew I should have stayed home today.
Miss Frizzle to class, Miss Frizzle to class. Come in, please.
Miss Frizzle, Janet almost got us.
I got them some of Jupiter's red spot.
Did you say red hot? You're not even warm yet. The outer planet I'm on is very cold and dark. The colder you get, the warmer you'll be to finding me.
Oh, great. Now it's a riddle. Off we go again.
Hey, look! Another planet! It's beautiful!
But where are we?
It's gotta be Saturn, and there's no other gas giant with such beautiful rings. Saturn, the 6th planet.
Well, it must be cold down there because Saturn is pretty far away from the sun.
But Miss Frizzle said cold and dark.
It could be very, very dark on Saturn.
Oh, no, you don't. You just want to grab more stuff.
Hey, I'm just trying to help. If you want to play Let's Find Miss Frizzle without a map for the rest of your life, that's fine with me.
Janet's right. Miss Frizzle could be on Saturn, couldn't she?
Okay, Arnold, but it's your job to keep your crazy cousin under control.
Miss Frizzle to bus, Miss Frizzle to bus, over. Oh, Liz and I can't wait to show you all the stars we can see out here. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Come back. What about a hint?
She just gave us a hint, Ralphie.
She did?
Yeah, she can see the stars. Which means she can't be on Saturn. She can never see the stars through all those storms and clouds. Planet number 7, coming up.
That must be Uranus. You can tell by its tilted faint ray rings and its blue-green gases. See, Kaz, Uranus doesn't do a thing for me, so you can get off me, okay? Sorry, Janet, but I have to stay on top of the situation.
The Frizz couldn't see the stars through those clouds either.
No way she's on Uranus. To the next planet.
Wait! I need proof! And we need Miss Frizzle. Step on it, Wanda. Hey, watch it! Neptune! Please! We gotta stop at Neptune! It's my favorite planet!
The 8th planet, Neptune.
Looks like another planet surrounded by gases.
And it's blue.
Blue! My favorite color!
Forget it, Janet. Miss Frizzle couldn't see the stars from down there. Go, Wanda! Now where do we go? She's not on Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune.
That means there's only one planet left.
Which one?
I'll tell you after Arnold gets off of Right, listen carefully. Miss Frizzle is on the farthest planet from the sun, Pluto.
To Pluto! Pluto's cold and dark, all right.
And clear! They've got to be here!
Look! There they are! Yay!
Good work, class. We knew you'd find us. Right, Liz?
Sure can't see the stars from here. I wonder where the sun is.
See that tiny star over there?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's it.
That's the sun?
Mm-hmm.
No wonder Pluto's so cold and dark. Look how far away the sun is.
So, the colder we got, the warmer we got to finding you.
It was a good hint, if I do say so myself.
I got enough stuff for all of us to prove we made it to Pluto.
Huh?
Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Are you kidding?
There's no room in there.
All right, be that way. Whoa! There's no way I'm going home without my stuff.
There's no way I'm going home without you.
It's proof. Nobody will believe me without it.
I'll I'll believe you. They'll believe you. Janet, you want proof? I'll give you proof. Here's proof of what'll happen to you if you stay here with your stuff. Arnold, no!
Oh, guys! Back to Earth! And step on it!
Shoo! Thanks, Janet.
Arnold, it's the least I can do. If it weren't for you, I'd still be on Pluto with all my stuff. I don't need to prove anything. That was the most amazing field trip ever. You know it. I know it. If no one else believes me, that's their problem.
Right on!
Way to go, Janet.
You said it.
Shoo!
Attention all students. We've just learned that scientists have made their first contact with an alien from outer space.
An alien.
Wow.
Ralphie was right.
Oh, my.
The alien, claiming to be from Pluto, has called to complain about a pile of litter that was recently dumped on his planet.
Ralphie!
As I always say, class, you're out of this world.
Is this the magic school bus?
Is this the magic school bus?
Magic school bus?
Magic the magic school bus? You mean magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus?
I wonder where the magic school bus is. Oh, the magic school bus!
Hello, Magic School Bus.
Don't you mean the Twilight Zone? That show had more science fiction than fact.
Well, we realize a school bus would make a lousy spacecraft.
I'll give you that one, but only because you call it a magic school bus. But there's no way any spacecraft could visit all 9 planets in a day.
Well, if we did it in real time, you would be a grown-up by the time we got to Pluto.
Speaking of Pluto, scientists don't really know what its surface is like.
You're right, but until one of you kids grows up to be an astronomer or an astronaut and figures out what Pluto is like, we have to guess.
Also, Pluto right now isn't the 9th planet from the sun. Until 1999, it's temporarily inside Neptune's orbit.
Right again.
What about those funny-looking sun goggles? I happen to know you should never look directly at the sun. Hurts your eyes.
You're one bright kid.
So how come some of the time the kids were floating around in the bus?
Well, when the bus was coasting with the rocket engines off, they were weightless, like astronauts.
Oh yeah, so how come they were able to walk around in the bus sometime?
Well, would you, believe an artificial gravity geoscopic confabulator?
No way.
Okay, you got me. We just fudged it.
And don't think I didn't notice that you had all the planets lined up in a neat little row.
Oh, that. Well, it's true that planets are very rarely all lined up like that.
Yeah, like almost never.
But it's so much easier to keep track of them all that way. You wouldn't want us to have forgotten one, would you?
And another thing, if an astronaut ever does make it to Pluto, she'd better not take her helmet off.
You think they'd end up with more than a cold, huh?
She'd end up a block of ice, or worse. Which reminds me why I called in the first place.
Yes?
I'm still waiting for someone to get that pile of litter off my planet.
Is it finished yet, Tim?
Stop rushing me, Keisha.
How long can it take to make a model of the sun that plays Wait Till the Sun Shines Nelly when you wind it up?
There. You think DA's gonna like it?
She'll love it. It's the perfect present for her birthday.
Too bad she's sick and had to stay home today. Hello?
How come you guys are still at school?
It's DA. We're waiting for Miss Frizzle. She's driving us over after her teacher's meeting.
Well, hurry. I want you to see my new telescope. It's really neat.
We'll be there soon. Bye. Where is Miss Frizzle anyway? Huh?
Oh, good afternoon, Perfect timing, Miss Frizzle. Tim just finished DA's present.
Take a look, Miss Frizzle.
Whoa!
Tim, are you all right?
I'm okay, but DA's present isn't.
What are we gonna do? It's too late to make another one.
Right here, right now, you can get the perfect gift from SSN, the Star Shopping Network.
Hey, check this out. It's one of those shows where you can call up and buy things.
And here's your host, the stellar seller himself, Horace Cope. Evening, folks. I'm Horace Cope, bringing you the perfect gift for someone you love. A star.
A star?
That's right, a star. A star from the vast reaches of the universe. And when you buy a star, you get to name it. Seriously, folks, I've only got 3 stars left. 1, 2, and 3. For the ridiculously low price of just $7 each.
That's it. We'll all chip in $1 and get DA her very own star.
Great idea. Let's do it.
Wait a minute. Slow down. My grandma once bought a mop from the Home Mopping Network and it didn't mop. So I'm not spending my money on anything I haven't checked out myself.
But Keisha...
Keisha's right, Tim. We don't have to buy a star sight unseen.
We don't?
To the bus!
But what about DA's party? Stop! Wait, Uh-oh. I hate when this happens.
I'll give you a hand, Arnold. We're going star shopping.
Couldn't we just go to the mall?
Computer, report please.
All systems go, Ms. Frizzle. We are leaving the Earth behind.
And here comes the moon! I mean, there goes the moon!
Wow, are we going fast or what? We just went from planet Earth to the moon in less than a minute.
As my Aunt Dromeda always says, Ralphie, to reach the stars, you have to get way past Mars.
Gee, look at all those teeny tiny stars.
I wonder if they'll get bigger when we get closer, like the moon did.
They better. We need some way to tell them apart.
Now you're probably asking,
Horace Cope, how can you sell me a star if they all look alike?
right? Wrong. That's the beauty of it. Look closely and you'll see lots of different kinds of stars. For instance, take this little baby. Only 2 million years old. Now, believe it or not, that's really young for a star. To see it, just look in the direction of the constellation Taurus the Bull. I wouldn't steer you wrong. Ooh.
Please, who ever heard of a baby star?
To see it for yourself, you'd have to fly at a speed of 500 million miles an hour, and it would still take you about 80 years just to get there. So isn't it a lot easier to just call?
80 years?
I told my mom I'd be home by 7.
Then what are we waiting for? Baby star, here we come.
Is it just me, or do we just leave our solar system behind?
Man, we've already gone so far we can't see any of the planets anymore.
And now our sun looks as tiny as, well, a star.
Hey, Ms. Frizzle, is our sun a star? Just like all the other stars out here?
Yup. Makes you think, doesn't it? Computer, star chart, please. Ah, yes, right on course. Constellation Taurus, here we come. We should be seeing the baby star right about
Coming out of hyperdrive now.
Wow!
That baby star should be around here somewhere, but it's hard to tell with all this dust and gas.
Dust and gas? Is that what these weird clouds are made of?
Stellar Nursery straight ahead.
Dust, gas, swirling clouds? This is not a good place for a baby.
On the contrary, Phoebe, it's the best place for a baby star.
Oh, wow! This new telescope is really neat. You can see practically forever. Take a look, Liz. You can even see huge clouds of dust and gas way up there. Gee, I wonder what they look like up close.
That can't be our baby star. It doesn't look like what we saw on TV.
You're right, Keisha. It's a ball of gas, but not a star.
What's happening? We're being sucked towards the center.
Warning, warning. Due to a large ball of hot gas, we are out of control.
At my old school, we never got pulled into the boiling hot center of a swirling cloud of dust and gas.
I know, Phoebe. Isn't this fantastic? Nobody's ever seen what we're seeing.
Lucky nobody.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Unless we want to end up where all that dust and gas is, we'd better use reverse.
It worked! We're safe! Good one, Tim!
Look, there's the baby star. It's been behind us the whole time.
Full stop! It's too bright to look at, Ms. Frizzle.
No problem, class.
Whoa! For a baby star, it sure is humongous.
Well, Arnold, baby stars come in all sizes. Let's see how humongous it really is, shall we? It's actually on the small side. Only about half the size of our sun.
So, it's just a baby. I say let's call up Horace Cope and buy it.
Wait a second, Tim. This is not a happy star.
Poor thing. It looks like it's got gas.
Very good, Phoebe. All stars have gas. That's what they're made of. But this 2-million-year-old baby just hasn't settled down yet. You know, it's at that awkward age.
Come on, Keisha. Let's buy it and go to the party.
No way. I'm not spending a dime on this star. It's too young and too wild.
Keisha, what kind of star are you looking for anyway?
Well, something a bit bigger and brighter with no dust around it. And it would be nice if it had a planet or two. We need a star we can trust, like our own sun.
Okay, so you don't like the baby star. No problem. Remember, there are still 2 stars left. And this next one is sensational. A shining example of a grown-up middle-aged star. And to find it, look right here in the Big Dipper.
Seats, everyone, and buckle up. Computer, how far is it?
Approximately 100 million miles.
Wow!
That's not all. This next star even comes with its own planets. Absolutely free.
There it is, Keisha. Just the kind of star you're looking for.
It looks okay, but I want to be sure it's different from the baby star.
Good idea, Keisha. Let's you and I take a closer look.
Buckle up, Miss Frizzle. It's bigger and brighter than the baby star. I like the color a lot better, and it seems a lot calmer.
That's because this star's all grown up, Keisha. A happy, healthy 5 billion years old at the prime of its life.
No dust clouds around it either. And look, it's got its own planets. I can see at least 2. Wow, this star looks just like our sun. Let's buy it, Miss Frizzle.
Sold.
Sold?
But I haven't even dialed yet.
I guess someone beat us to it. But who would want to buy our star?
Congratulations, young lady, and enjoy your brand new star. What do you want to name it?
Janet!
Janet?
I've always wanted my name up in lights, but this is even better. I can't wait to tell my cousin Arnold about it.
How embarrassing. Come on, guys. We can't give up yet. There's still one more star left.
And remember, there's still one star left. As you can see by this accurate artist rendition, I've saved the best for last. A red supergiant star. Look right here. Here in the constellation of Andromeda. So if you're in the neighborhood, check it out. Or just call. It's a lot faster.
Wanna bet?
According to my research, that tiny star out there is actually a red supergiant, 100 times bigger than our sun. Because we're so far away from it, it looks like a tiny point of light. But if we were closer, it would look very, very...
humongous, stupendous, astronomical, a 20-million-year-old red supergiant. Isn't she a beauty? Tell you what, folks, since this is my last star, I'll take 50 cents off the price if somebody buys it in the next, 50 seconds?
Sounds like a good deal to me.
We better call before somebody else buys it.
Star Shopping Network, Horoscope speaking.
Hi, I'm Tim. And we, that is Miss Frizzle's class, would like to, hold on a sec. Well, Keisha?
Well,
Keisha?
Well, it's certainly the biggest star by a long shot, and I like the color. It doesn't have any planets, but there are no dust clouds either. And it's no wild baby.
So?
Okay. Buy it.
We want to buy the red supergiant star and name it for Dorothy Ann.
Sold! You just bought yourselves a star, and not a moment too soon.
We did it. We got the biggest, brightest birthday present DA's ever had.
She'll love having a star that's so much bigger than the other stars.
Wait a minute. If it's so much bigger, how come we got it so cheap?
Yeah! Horace did seem in a hurry to sell it.
So, do you guys think there's something wrong with it? I don't see anything wrong.
As my old friend librarian always says, you can't tell a book by its cover. Let's take a peek inside with our sneaker peekatron. Watch this.
Amazing! We can actually see inside the star.
Is it just me, or are the insides of our star shrinking?
Not shrinking, Ralphie, collapsing.
Oh no! The star's insides are getting squeezed together!
Does it matter what's going on inside? It was shining just fine on the outside, and that's all DA will see.
Core explosion imminent. 3, 2, 1.
DA's star! It's gone! Our big, beautiful star just exploded into smithereens! I don't believe what I just saw!
I know. Wasn't it super?
Super? Ms. Frizzle, DA's star is gone! It's history! 650 for nothing!
But why did our star explode when it did? It looked okay on the outside. It was bigger. It was brighter.
Well, Horace did say the supergiant was 20 million years old.
A stellar observation, Phoebe. Stars do grow old and eventually go out. But some, like this one, go out with a bang! They're called supernovas.
Wow, it sure left a super mess.
You know, it looks a lot like the place where we found the baby star. All these leftovers from the blast are clouds of dust and gas.
Then let's get out of here. Last time we got too close to a cloud of hot gas, we almost got fried.
But Tim, don't you see? That hot ball of gas was a star getting ready to be born.
That's right. Stars are made out of hot gases.
Boingo, Phoebe. Hot gases squeezed together in a ball.
Yeah. Squeezed together hot enough to make a new baby star shine. The hot gas keeps the star shining like fuel for a fire for millions and millions of years. And when the fuel finally runs out, the stars die out. And those that go out with a bang like this one leave behind the stuff to make new stars again.
Excuse me, but in case you've forgotten, we still don't have a present for DA's birthday!
No, but maybe we can make one.
Huh?
As I see it, all we have to do is help along what happens naturally. What if we gather up all the leftover gas and dust and squeeze it together till it gets hot enough to shine?
Brilliant idea, Keisha. Normally, it would take 1,000,000 years to clean all this up. But since we do have a magic bus, it's time to take chances, sweep up the mess, and make a star!
It's working, Miss Frizzle. The dust and gas are getting smooshed together.
And now, when you need a good squeeze, just say please.
Please!
Can you squeeze a stardust cloud into a star, into a star? Can you squeeze a stardust cloud for our DA? Oh, we can squeeze it till it's sore, and there's heat within its core, and then presto, it's ready for her birthday!
Yay!
Congratulations, class! Computer, set coordinates KTUR 5. We're going home.
Liz, look! There's a star up there. It wasn't there before. I'm sure of it. I've got to write about it in my star journal.
Sorry we're late, DA.
Late? You're just in time. See that really bright star up there? Well, that's a brand new star, and I just discovered it.
Actually, DA, that's your birthday present from all of us.
It is?
We named it Dorothy Ann 1 in your honor.
You did?
Happy birthday, DA!
But how? I don't understand.
Oh, it's a long story, Dorothy Ann. A story filled with dust and gas, with heat and...
This is a special bulletin from SSN. I've just discovered a brand new star, and it's now on sale.
What?
That's right, a brand new star. So let's hear those telephones ring.
Keisha?
Out with the old and in with the new. It's sleek, it's stylish, it's yellow.
That star is ours. We just bought it.
No, sorry. You must be mistaken. This is a new star.
That's right. And do you know where this new star came from? Because we do.
Sure you do, kid.
We actually saw how dust and gas came together to become a new star.
And that's not all. We saw a baby star and then a middle-aged star that had been shining for a long time, like our sun.
And then, thanks to you, we saw the star you sold us explode.
And you knew it was on its way out.
Well, maybe I did, but
But what you didn't know was that if you squeeze all the dust and gas left over from the explosion and make it hot enough,
You can make a brand new star. The star you're trying to sell us now.
Only that's our star because it was made from the leftovers of the one you sold us.
And they gave it to me for my birthday and named it Dorothy Ann after me. So you can sell it.
Yes. Yes, well, thank you for pointing out my, mistake.
Well done, class. I couldn't have said it better myself.
And I couldn't have gotten a better birthday present. Thanks, everyone.
You're welcome, DA.
Is this the magic school bus?
Is this the magic school bus?
Magic school bus?
Magic the magic school bus? You mean magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus?
I want the magic school bus. I want the magic school bus.
It's a fine night for looking at stars, Liz. It's clear as a bell up there. Now, who would be calling at this hour? Hello?
Is this the star of the magic school bus?
Well, I am the producer.
Good. About your show on stars. No one can visit the stars in a flying space bus. Who are you trying to kid?
Well, even though astronauts have been to the moon and back, you're right. The stars are just too far away to reach with today's spacecraft.
Okay, but suppose we did build a spacecraft. How long would it take to get there?
A lifetime. The stars in our show were so far away that to get there and back before you grew old, you'd have to travel faster than the speed of light. And you can't travel faster than the speed of light.
But Miss Frizzle took the kids there.
Hey, that's why she drives a magic school bus. It was the only way to get there.
Well, there's something else bothering me. Since our sun is a star, well, you know, it's not going to...
Go out? Well, yeah, it will, but not for a long, long time. It's been shining for over 4 billion years, and it's got another 4 or 5 billion years to go.
Whew, that's a relief. One more question. You guys sure made that new star in a hurry. How long does it really take?
It takes millions of years to form a new star from the leftovers of an old one.
Millions of years in a couple of minutes? You guys are always speeding up time, but this show takes the cake.
You mean Liz takes the cake.
You're right. Good night.
You ready, Liz? Perfect. A new constellation. The Constellation Magic School Bus.
Okay, guys, I'll show you how to do it. Stand back.
Way to go, Wanda!
All right. Good jump. But I'm only halfway to the basket. I'll never jump high enough to do a slam dunk.
At least you jumped higher than I did. And I've been pumping iron to build up my muscles.
Lifting weights isn't going to get you there, Carlos. There's no way any of us can do a slam dunk. We're too short.
DA's right. Basketball players are way taller than we are, which means we have to jump higher to cover the same distance.
Too bad the slam dunk exhibition isn't in 10 years to give us time to grow up.
I don't see what you're all so worried about. Only one kid from the whole school is going to get picked for the exhibition. What are the chances it'll be one of us?
Attention, please. This is your principal speaking.
Hey, listen up. It's Mr. Rule.
The drawing has been completed for the student who will represent our school in the slam dunk exhibition at tonight's game.
Oh, please, let it be me.
And the winner is, from Miss Frizzle's class, Phoebe Therese.
Oh, no! Me? You can do it, Phoebe.
Yeah, you can do it. Can't you?
But I can't jump. I'm only good at games where you stay on the ground.
It's okay, Phoebes. We'll help you.
Yeah, come on. Isn't jumping just using your muscles to push your weight up off the ground?
You're right. This is just a battle between me and gravity. To jump higher, all I have to do is throw myself into the air as hard as I can. It didn't work.
Well, the good news is you went up.
But then you came back down. Just like this ball.
According to my research, it's gravity that makes things fall by pulling down on them.
So, the problem is, no matter what, gravity is always going to pull down on me.
Too true, Phoebe. Gravity may be invisible, but make no mistake, it's always there, and it's always pulling on you. What goes up must come down!
Miss Frizzle!
Whew! That's the problem, all right. So how can Phoebe jump high enough to do a slam dunk before she gets pulled down by gravity again?
An uplifting question, Tim.
If my problem is gravity, then what I need to do is get rid of gravity. No pull, no problem.
Get rid of gravity? What planet do you live on?
Well, maybe not get rid of all gravity, but get rid of some of it.
Get real, Phoebe. To get less gravity, you'd have to go to the moon.
Now there's a weighty notion.
Oh.
But we don't have time to go to the moon.
Did I say we were going to the moon, Arnold?
No, but...
Come along, class, to the bus. You too, Liz.
If we're not going to the moon, then where are we going?
I have to do my slam dunk in just a few hours. If only I could just do it once, just to see what it feels like. Oh, but no matter what, gravity is always there, pulling down on me.
As my old friend Les Waite always says, if you can't take the gravity, get off the earth. Hit it, Liz! Here we go.
Ms. Frizzle, what are we doing all the way out here?
Well, Keisha, we all agree that no matter where on Earth we go, gravity is going to be pulling down on us. So I thought we'd just make a planet of our own with gravity we can control. Welcome to Planet School Bus.
The bus is a planet.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Care to take a closer look? It is now a planet with its very own gravity.
Hey, guys, is it just me, or is that a basketball court?
Cool, just like the one at the Walkerville Arena.
Yeah, except this one's got an even bigger screen for instant replay.
And a gigantic popcorn machine.
A different planet with its own gravity. If I could just get the feel of doing a slam dunk, then maybe I'll be able to do it back on Earth. What's going on? The gravity here pulls down on me just as much as the gravity back on Earth.
You're absolutely right, Phoebe. Time for a change. Go for it, Liz.
Hey, our planet just got smaller. Yeah, but what's that got to do with less gravity?
I think it's got a lot to do with it.
Wahoo! Then slam dunk, here I come!
Hey, Phoebe! Looks like you really got the hang of this, Phoebes.
Very funny, Carlos. How am I going to get down? Just let go. With less gravity pulling you down, you won't fall so hard.
Excellent observation, D.A.
Yeah, look at this. Less pull means I can lift this weight with one hand.
And so can Liz.
They're right, Phoebe. On Earth, I could barely jump off the ground. Now I can jump over Ralphie.
Hey, watch it.
Yeah, but jumping isn't falling.
Sure it is. Falling is just the down part of jumping.
Well, okay. If you say so, I'm letting go now. Too bad falling isn't this easy on Earth.
So why is there less gravity here now?
A cheery query, Arnold.
Is it because the bus planet got small?
Superior supposition, D.A. The less planet you've got, the less gravity it has to pull down on you.
Cool. I feel light as a feather. Does less gravity mean things weigh less?
Only one way to find out. It's time to weigh in.
At home, I weigh about 65 pounds. But here I only weigh 15.
Amazing! I weigh less than I did when I was 2.
So how much you weigh depends on how much gravity there is to pull down on you.
Dynamically deduced.
Well, thanks to this field trip, I know what it's like to do a slam dunk.
Yeah, so maybe we'd better get back to Earth so you can practice for the real thing.
Go home? Now? But what a waste of an opportunity. Keisha, don't you wanna...
Play ball! And don't let anything hold you down, class.
Man, look how high these balls are bouncing. They may never come down.
Oh, they'll come down all right, Tim, just like Phoebe did. With less gravity, it takes a little longer, that's all.
Speaking of longer, look at me dribble. My steps are a lot longer and higher than on Earth. And look how much farther I can throw the ball with less gravity. Heads up, Carlos!
Carlos 2, gravity zip.
I did it! Yeah, way to go, Phoebes!
Now that's what I call a slam dunk.
You know, since it was so easy to slam dunk with less gravity, I wonder what it would be like if there wasn't any gravity at all.
Well, take a load off your mind, Phoebe. Your wait is ended. Over to you, Liz.
Uh-oh! Our bus planet has almost disappeared completely!
Less planet, less gravity. Right, Miss Frizzle?
Let me put it this way, Dorothy Ann.
Woohoo! Miss Frizzle!
Wow!
I don't believe it.
Oh, come on up. The weather's fine.
I'm coming, Miss Frizzle. Wahoo!
Wait for me!
Me too!
Come on, Arnold, let's do it.
No way, Keisha! What if the bus planet suddenly gets bigger and gravity comes back?
Don't worry, Arnold. Liz is nowhere near the controls.
Hey!
Time to lighten up, Arn.
Whoa!
Yo, Phoebe! Bet you can do an awesome slam dunk now.
You've got that right, Tim. Here goes. No, this isn't working. I can't run across the floor. I can't jump. down anymore.
That's because with no gravity, there is no down anymore.
And no pull down means no weight either. I don't weigh a thing now.
Oops, sorry, Arn.
No problem. I just wish Janet could see me now.
I don't know about having no gravity, Ms. Frizzle. It makes everything really hard to do, especially slam dunking.
Well, gravity does have its advantages.
Yeah, it keeps your feet on the ground so you can walk.
And helps, up from down.
And when you throw a ball in the air, gravity makes it come down every time.
So, if you don't mind, I'm going to put the lever back to normal gravity so we can go home. I may not be able to slam dunk there, but I can't slam dunk right now either. Ready?
Whenever you are, Phoebe.
Go for it, Phoebes! The lever seems to be stuck. Oh no!
I knew I should have stayed home today.
Are you guys all right? I pushed the lever too far.
Man, talk about a downer. I feel as if I weigh 1,000,000 pounds.
Yeah, me too.
As Les Waite's brother Moore used to tell me, a lot of gravity is a heavy proposition.
At least we won't starve.
No wonder there's so much gravity. Look! Our bus planet is humongo!
So let's get the facts. We just took chances, got messy, and became really heavy, right?
Right! What was that noise?
I didn't hear anything.
Gravity, it's pulling really hard! Hang on, everybody!
Well, folks, it looks like we officially brought the house down.
Carlos!
Ah, that's right, Carlos. As you can see, none of this stuff was built to take that extra pull.
Wow!
Phew. Since we made the bus planet so huge, it's pulling down on us more. Much more.
Phoebe, do something! Like what? I can barely move! Boy, falling with extra gravity pulling you down is no picnic.
And there's no picnic, because you must have eaten it. You weigh 450 pounds.
Oh, great. Now we're stuck with heavy gravity forever.
I feel so heavy, I can barely move.
I can't even stand up.
Oh, don't get heavy-hearted, class. It's not often you get to feel as heavy as a hippopotamus.
But if we don't get out of here, I'm gonna miss the slam dunk exhibition. What are we gonna do? We're too heavy to climb up there and reach the lever.
We're trapped by the pull of gravity.
Wait a second. If we can't move because gravity is pulling us down so much, why can't we beat it with a stronger pull up?
Good thinking, Phoebe.
Yeah, but we can't even sit up, much less pull up.
If you could pull me and the scale up out of the hole, maybe I could crawl over to the gravity machine, switch it back to normal, and we'd be saved.
Yeah, but how? Hey, look! That rope that's holding the scale goes up through that pulley in the ceiling and down here again.
So, if we pull down on the rope hard enough, it will pull up on Phoebe with more force than gravity is pulling her down. But where do we get enough pull? Phoebe weighs 450 pounds!
So what? If she does, so does each of us. And together, we weigh a lot more than that.
Cunningly crafted, class. Now all you have to do is put all your weight into it.
Ready, guys? Ready! Ready, Phoebe?
Ready!
Okay. Pull!
Hurry, guys! The rope is going to break! Almost there! Keep pulling! I can almost reach it! Are you guys all right?
Couldn't be better. How about you?
Can you move the lever?
Not yet! Come on, muscles! Do your stuff! Push!
It's working. I'm not such a heavyweight anymore. I can move again and even jump a little.
Follow me, class. Alley-oop.
Oh, I never thought I'd appreciate normal gravity so much.
You did it, Phoebe! You saved us!
And just in time.
You're right, Carlos. I've got a basketball to dunk, and I think I know just how I'm going to do it.
Way to go, Phoebe. To the bus.
But, Miss Frizzle, this is the bus.
Excellent observation, Arnold. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's halftime and the moment you've all been waiting for. The Slam Dunk Exhibition from Walkerville Elementary. I'm proud to introduce the queen of the court, the Duchess of Dunk, Phoebe!
Phoebe! Phoebe! Phoebe! Phoebe! Thank you, Miss Frizzle. Thank you, everybody. Unfortunately, what you all came here to see me do tonight isn't going to happen. It's not going to happen because it can't happen. There's just no way kids our size can jump high enough to slam dunk a basketball like a super tall basketball player.
Come on, Phoebe! You're doing fine!
The reason I can't do a slam dunk is gravity. That's right, gravity. You see, everything on Earth, including us, is pulled down by this invisible force we call gravity. The pull of gravity is caused by the whole Earth pulling down on everything and everyone on it. The bigger the planet, the stronger the pull. The smaller the planet, the weaker the pull. And there's nothing we can do about it. Well, not unless you know how to push up harder than gravity is pulling you down. Ready? Ready!
Just how does Phoebe plan to overcome gravity and complete a slam dunk? Whatever her plan, I'm sure you're all pulling for her.
Come on, Phoebe! You can do it!
Guys,
It's time to slam and jam, Phoebe.
let's do it!
And Phoebe jumps. Up, but gravity is pulling her down, down, down. But wait, she's going back up, up, up. The teeter-totter has pushed her up with lots more force than the downward pull of gravity. And she goes up for the dunk and slams it home. Amazing. As I always say, you can count on gravity to pull you through.
Is this the magic school bus? Is this the magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic the magic school bus? You mean magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? I want the magic school bus! I want the magic school bus!
Hey, Liz, wanna go one-on-one? Sorry, Liz. Magic School Bus, the producer speaking.
Since when can a school bus, even a magic one, become a planet?
Never underestimate the magic of the Magic School Bus.
And what about the magic of how the kids moved when there was different gravity?
That change in gravity may have been caused by magic, but the results were real. With stronger gravity, it would be harder to move, and things built for normal gravity would break. With weaker gravity, well, it looked just like that when the astronauts walked and jumped on the moon.
But wouldn't it have been easier to just change the pull of the Earth's gravity? Why go to all the trouble of making your own planet?
Well, first of all, how much gravity you have depends on how much stuff there is in the planet underneath you. The only way to get less gravity on Earth would be to remove a big chunk of it to make it smaller and give it less pull. Not a good idea.
So, does that mean that small planets, like Mars and Pluto, have less gravity than Earth?
You got it. Liz, what are you doing?
Would a pulley-in rope really work with all that extra gravity?
Absolutely. No matter how much gravity you've got, you can always lift something as long as you use more force than gravity pulls down. Thanks for calling. Bye. Liz, what is going... And the lizard scores! That was fantastic, Liz. You really put your weight into it. You want to do it again? Guess not.